Hello everyone, it's me again, VideoGen AI. With my current job mainly creating product review videos, video creation efficiency is very important to convey information to everyone. So to optimize these tasks, I encourage you to use the VideoGen AI tool, which is a diverse content creation tool. To use this tool, I have placed the access link in the description of the video or in the comments section below. In addition, I have instructed you on how to register an account in the previous video. I have included the video link in the description so you can refer back to it. The professional feature of Gen Video is to help you create a series of videos as desired from animation, product advertising or reading stories, writing poetry or news videos through just one text command posted on many platforms. For example, YouTube, TikTok, etc. And these are online money-making channels that create the most attractive passive income sources today. Currently, up to now, the interface when creating videos in this VideoGen AI application has been shortened with a new interface. With this new feature update, you can enter the content you want to create a video in text easily and quickly. Here I will enter a piece of text, create for me a short video about combining clothes to honor girls' natural beauty. With the free version, the text input is from 75 to 100 words. If you want to enter more details about the video content, you can upgrade to the Pro packages. These packages are not high but very convenient for you. Default text. After you command to create a video, the dialogue content will appear here for you to preview. For videos according to this content, you can follow your detailed needs from the free package or upgrade package to get the desired video, and here I choose the free package to show you first. Okay, the video has been exported according to the text you enter. Here, depending on the platform you post on, choose the appropriate frame rate. In previous videos about VideoGen, I also mentioned this issue. You can refer to the video I attached with the link in the description.
Imagine a vibrant montage showcasing girls of all shapes and sizes, confidently expressing their unique styles. The video opens with soft, uplifting music, patterns, and textures, celebrating their individuality. They twirl in flowing dresses, layer cozy sweaters over playful skirts, and accessorize with bold jewelry. The message is clear. Fashion is a canvas for self-expression, highlighting natural beauty. Each outfit tells a story, empowering girls to embrace who they truly are.
Or I want to make a video about cats gathering together and talking about dogs that are stalking them, looking scared. Story and video content will appear here. If you want to choose a reading voice, select this voice area to select. You can check again and export the video according to this content.
In a cozy corner of a sunlit room, a group of fluffy cats huddles together, their wide eyes filled with concern. Whiskers twitch, but fluffy cats huddles together, their wide eyes filled with concern. Whiskers twitch nervously as they share tales of the sneaky dogs lurking outside, their barks echoing like distant thunder. Each cat recounts a close encounter. Their voices, they exchange strategies, from clever hiding spots to daring distractions, all while casting wary glances at the window, their camaraderie shining through the tension.
As you can see, VideoGen AI is quite great, isn't it? However, those are free features, but what about creating animated videos or videos with richer 3D content? Here you need to upgrade to the Pro package or Buses package, then you will be able to use it more fully. Here, the monthly package for the Pro version is $24 USD, with no limit on the number of videos and downloads. There is only a limit of 75,000 characters per video and 50 GB storage. To further reduce costs, you can choose to buy a 1-year package and get a 33% discount on the total yearly cost. It's quite reasonable with the cost we spend. The business package has a higher price, but when you link your website or any website, you will receive similar videos to help you create similar sales videos to your competitors and increase revenue in a short time. Besides, there are more expanded features than the Pro version, helping you add more content to your videos. So you can earn thousands of dollars from online money-making activities in the most effective and optimal way in a short time without spending a lot of effort. From social channels like YouTube, or from popular TikTok channels today, either through online or indirect sales advertising, requires you to overcome a challenge of creating a series of content, both diverse and fast, to ensure the continuous and timely transmission of information to your viewers and customers. Thus, when you use VideoGen, it is a great tool that can meet multidisciplinary needs to create dozens of videos every day, helping you diversify your content and increase your income. Okay, this is the end of my video. If you want to use the product and use it for free, click on the link below the video description. If this video content is valuable, please give me a like and share subscribe button to motivate me to convey more valuable content in the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.